Every week, Maria Shoko visits this grave. At 94 years old, she still cares for the resting place of the son she never expected to bury. When Vic Falls Live visited her homestead in Mabale village, this is where we found her, quietly cleaning his grave. It is here that she remembers the day an elephant changed her family forever.
Wabonanga ngithi animponda swana nabantu babali4 animbani animaulenzo vimbi akalombi akamutandanya akaliwo yazomujjata anti mwabatondezi yazomujjata ikona akalali yamulimaza kupwachula hawenke bala mukula na bakumutola zomunjizi ya munganda kujana muntu watalika kuzimba tutututu kati utumbuli akaliliona kalamukati.
Behind every number is a name, a family, a grave, a life forever changed. Shoko's story is one of many unfolding in communities that live alongside wildlife every day. In our full documentary, she recounts the night her son was killed by an elephant in 2021 and how that loss continues to shape her life today. We also speak to local authorities to understand the scale of human-wildlife conflict in Hwange, why these encounters are becoming more frequent, and what is being done to protect communities and support affected families. Watch the full Vic Falls Live documentary this Thursday as we go beyond the headlines to tell the stories of the people living with wildlife every day. My name is Nogutaba Dlamini.